Hey guys, I'm back. So wait, okay. So today I'm gonna be creating a new block. So yep, one step closer to completing all this. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to do this. So first of all, we need to create the textures. You can get a image editing software like GIMP, Paint.net, Photoshop, anything that you prefer using. I wouldn't suggest Paint because it doesn't represent, um, it doesn't allow transparency. So if your block like glass or something, if your block's gonna be like glass or something that has transparency and then transparency in it, then don't use Paint. So you can go create a 16 by 16 image. You can create this for all 6 sides, or you can just create one image for each side. So you can go do that, or you can go to resources, and go to create item block texture, and I'll show you how to make a block texture using MCreator. So first thing you can do, you don't have to worry about layer 1. You don't have to worry about layer 1. So yeah, sorry, I just had to pause for a minute. Yeah, so you want to don't have to worry about layer 1, cause unless it has transparency, which it most likely won't. But if your block doesn't have transparency, then just go straight to layer 2, and you can go through all this, and you can make what you want to make for an image. Like for example, you can make like bricks, and then I'm gonna add arrow, and it could be some type of, wait, let me change color. Sorry, had to pause again. Yeah, so as I was saying, you can get a block, normal block, and then put like an arrow or maybe a bow and axe or something. And it could be type of machine, like a vendor or something. That was an idea I got. So you could right click on it and it give you arrows in return for another item or something. But that's going through the events, and I'll get into that eventually. For now, I think I already created some textures. I'm not sure. I'll just go check. So yeah, you just go through there and you select what you want and you change color there. That's the rotation. Doesn't really look good when you rotate it. And when you rotate, you can see the block. Wait, you can see the apple. Um, so yeah, and then color, and I'm pretty sure this is import your image. Oh no, okay. So yeah, you can go through the actual images if you wanted to. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna exit because I'm pretty sure I've got some. I'll just check. So you want to go create new mod. You go block, you name it what you want. I'm calling mine rainbow block. Okay. Okay. And then you come up with this. Pretty much render type, block dimensions, and TX blocks options. You don't have to worry about. You also don't have to worry about that. Actually, no. If your block has transparency in it, then click has alpha. That means it has transparency. And then don't render block as a normal block is when it's not rendered as a normal block. But don't worry about it. Okay. So to make a normal block, I believe up here is, yeah, I only made some. Yep, okay. So up here, this is the top, and then this one surrounded by red is the bottom, and then these are the 4 sides of the block. So I'm gonna go blue, green, yellow, and orange. So it's gonna be a rainbow block. So we can just go next on that. Now this name in the GUI is what it's gonna be called in Minecraft. I'm gonna call it Rainbow. I'm gonna call it Rainbow Lantern. I was doing a tutorial on this, but it stuffed up because my computer restarted because it overheated. And I was going to make a rainbow lantern, so I'm like, oh, I'm going to continue doing that. Okay, this is where I'm going to get out from the stream. So, you guys don't have to if you're in full stream. So, this is hardness. The hardness is a variable. It belongs to the block. This value tells how much time it would take to mine this block. To calculate time to dig your block with hand, use this formula. Hardness times 5 equals time to dig in seconds. If the block is digged with a tool, you need to divide this with the value of x. Oh, okay. So pretty much, so hardness times 5, that is seconds. So this is 4. Wait, 4 times 5 that's how long it's gonna take. Like, if you wanted hardness 4, it's gonna be 4 times 5, and that's how long it's gonna. I'm bad at explaining math. Okay, so the number you choose times 5 is how long it's gonna take in seconds. Yep. But if you have wood, stone, iron, diamond, or gold pickaxes, or whatever the tool you're using, you have to divide it. So say I chose 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. So that means it would take 20 seconds to mine with your hand. But with wood, it would take 10 because I would divide that by 2. So divide 20 by 2 and it's 10. With stone, it would take 5 seconds because I divide 20 by 4. With iron, divide 20 by 6. With diamond, divide 20 by 8. And gold, divide 20 by 12. So, or your number by 12. So I want 4 because I want it to be 5 seconds for the stone tool, because the stone tool would be the one to break it. So resistance, this is blast resistance. So yeah, bigger resistance, the less chance it's gonna have of breaking, being damaged. So bedrock and portal frame and portal are 18 million. That means that's why they're impossible. And the further your explosion away, so it's gonna have no effect on the bedrock. So pretty much, if like you know how people create those big explosions around bedrock, they're not gonna break any of it because half of them aren't even in range. Anyway, so I'm gonna keep this resistance on 10 because I don't want to mess with that too much. Has gravity, that just means if it has gravity, like sand or gravel, so tick that. If you want gravity, don't tick it for no gravity. Creative inventory tab. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep them blocks. We'll change that later when we create our own tab. Tool to destroy it, pickaxe, doesn't drop itself. So that means if it doesn't drop itself, tick that, and then you can define the block you want it to drop. And you can even drop water items. So yeah. Drop amount, I'm gonna keep on 1. Just like that. Isn't collidable, that means that a player and mob can't go through it. I mean, collidable means the player and mob will stop once they hit it. Isn't collidable means we'll go straight through it. So you can make like invisible, well not invisible, but you can phase through blocks. Anyway, so it can provide power. I'm pretty sure it says redstone will connect to your block, but I'm not sure if that means it is the power source itself, like a redstone block, or if it just or if redstone can go through that block. I'm pretty sure it provides power. Oh, well, yeah, that's what it says. That doesn't really make sense, the sentence. Anyway, light opacity. Yeah, this is important because redstone man. So, oh wait, no, this isn't important. So, if you type 0, no light will go through your box. So, like, I think it's slabs, stairs, paintings, doors. Light goes through them, but it goes through them by a bit. So this is to decide how much light will go through it. So 0 would be like dirt or something. 126, I think, is halfway, and that would be like a half slab type thing because half of the light would go through. I don't know. Okay, material determines some physical properties of your block. This is a lot of information, so we moved it to the wiki. Go to the web page and get more information. Well, anyway, so if you select a certain block, you'll kind of act like that block. For example, it gets physical. I don't know. I haven't really looked into this, but I know for an example, once I was making a soaked leaves or something for a tree type thing, and I chose water as its material because I'm thinking, oh, it's wet, might as well choose water. It's the closest thing it relates to. Yeah, but when it says physical properties, it means like, so when you got water, say in a 1x1 space, surrounded by dirt or something, And if you try, you can't place a block on top of water. You can only place it in the water because it's a liquid or whatever. So, in saying that, if when I chose it to be my leaves, when I tried to click a block to grow off the leaves, like make a structure or whatever, it would just replace the block instead. And yeah, so I'm not really too sure about these, but I usually go rock because closest thing to it is because it mines with pickaxe. Yeah. Step on sound, stone, wood, gravel. So what it sounds when you step on it, and keep that glass. Numeracy, this is what I was talking about because it's a lantern. So this is the light value it emits. So that means, yeah. So yeah, this variable sets luminacy of the block. That means how much light will emit this block. Check this table to compare your value to existing ones. So pretty much stuff like lava, glowstone, all that, they give out light. Redstone lamp, all that. So yeah, everything gives out light, even mushrooms. Yeah. So how much light it gives out. Since it's a lantern, I'm gonna put it on 15, like a redstone lamp. Is it unbreakable? Can it be broken? Tick it for yes. Don't tick it for no. Oh wait, no. Tick it for no. Don't tick it for yes. Can it be broken? No. Yes. You know what I mean. Harvest level to break. So this means the type of tool. So that means like wood, stone, gold, diamond, iron, all that. They are types of tools anyway. So 0 is hand and wood. So that means only hand and wood and everything after that the next type. So in order it goes hand / wood, stone, iron, diamond, and I'm pretty sure it's gold. Yeah. So, oh no, it's gold then diamond. Yeah, gold then diamond. So pretty much 0 hand and wood, 1 is stone, 2 is iron, 3 is diamond, and they don't have 4, so yeah. So since I want this to be broken with the stone tool, like I said before when I set the hardness, I'm gonna set it as 1. I don't know what this part means, so I just set that as 1 as well. I just set it to whatever the same one is set. So I'm just gonna go next. Okay, I can get out of that now. We'll go full screen again. So for example purposes, I'm gonna spawn particles around my block. And yeah, as it says, it spawns particles around the block. So here you can choose the type of particle you want. It gives you the name of them, but you gotta try and figure out what one for it. I'm gonna go with, for this demonstration, probably, yeah, I'm gonna go with bubbles, which I'm pretty sure is either when you're catching a fish or when you're breathing underwater. Okay, so this is how the particles will spawn. They spawn in spread, which is around your block, top, which is just above your block, tube, which is way above your block, and plane, which is all around your block. So I'm gonna keep this on spread. Particle spawning radius, so 0.5 is half a block away from your original block. So I'm gonna keep that as a block. So it can spawn 1 block around the block it's spawning from. If that makes any sense. Spawning amount, I'm gonna go like 50. I don't know, a lot of particles. Nah, or half that, 25. So particle spawning conditions always. This new update, this is new. In 1.5, they added variables and global events. So when you set variable, you can put the variable here. So if the variable is true, then it will spawn. If not, then it won't. So it always spawns for now. And I'm gonna go next. So these are the events. Tick rate. So 20 seconds. no, 20 ticks is 1 second, so it's a default 0.5 second. No, yeah, no, 10. Okay, so wait, great. Oh, 10 ticks per half second. I don't know. That only has to do when it says here, which is update tick. It does an event when it updates the tick copies. So all these mean, so for example, on block right click, twin block edit. So when these conditions are met, or when these events are met, it will do a certain thing. When it updates the tick, random update event, when the block is destroyed, buffer, etc. You can go through all of them if you want to. So for this, I'm just going to do on block right clicked. So on block right clicked, I'm going to add an event. So when the player right clicks it, one of these things are going to happen. So you could print it text in server chat, you could get an achievement, you could get open the inventory, GUI, open the crafty GUI, spawn gem. I'm not sure about gems, don't get me on that. Set a variable, play music, toggle down for, and you can go through all of them if you want to. Yep, all of them, and up here. So yeah, there's all of them, and for this example, when you so I'm gonna have it when you right click, it's gonna rain, but it's only gonna rain if it's daytime. Now, if it's not raining, it's gonna rain. Oh no, that'd be too obvious. Okay, if it's day, it's gonna rain. If it's night, it's not. Okay, so I'm gonna go add event and done. So on block right click, it toggles down for if it's daytime. Next, so this crafting recipe, 3x3, you all know this, or you all should know this, as you knew at Minecraft as well. So for this, I'm just gonna get. Oh no, I didn't do anything for them. Don't worry about that. I'm just gonna get stone brick. Before, when I was doing my other tutorial, I did it with bricks. There's stone brick. Then I'm gonna get. Yeah, then I'm gonna get blue. Now I'm gonna get a lantern. Oh, not lantern. What's it called? It's called. Yeah, it's called redstone. Redstone lamp. Anyway. Sorry for my cracked voice and my list. Hope you didn't notice. Oh, name. Okay, so a lamp, and then I'm gonna just place diorama. By the way, so it's represented. The block is represented. The representative image of a block is the bottom. So whatever the bottom texture is going to be is what this is going to represent. I'm not sure if we can change that. I'm going to get the items and then the set red. I'm going to put blue down there. I'm going to put yellow. I'm going to go green. And that's going to make all lanterns. Click that button to save your image, your what is it? Your crafting image. Yep. If you want to make it shapeless, if you guys don't know what shapeless is, pretty much when you put 2 items in, or yeah, usually 2. You can have anywhere up to 9 items for a shape, or 8 items for a shapeless recipe. So pretty much the items can go anywhere and you still make the block. But to do that, you need to make an actual recipe mod. So you make the item with no recipe, and then you make the recipe later on. I'll explain that. Here's world generation, so you can set the block to spawn anywhere between these two. I'm pretty sure Yeah, blue's the lowest point it can spawn. Red's the highest. You can tell it generating the world, generating never. The frequency on chunk, I would honestly prefer them to put that in numbers so we get a rough idea. And then frequency on specific chunk. I'll see if they got that. Nah, see they got no help. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that, so I'm just gonna go back to untick that. Recipes. And that's for the smelting recipe, obviously, but I'm not gonna be smart. Then you're just gonna go finish. Gotta wait for this to load. This is the yeah, this recompiling. I think it's for the first time for the first time it recompiles, it's gonna take a while. I think. Yeah, so it depends on how long this is gonna take. If it's gonna take a while, just pause the video and I'll be back. Nah, I don't reckon it's gonna go for that long. Usually there's only a couple, maybe about 10 blue lines, 10 to 20, and then it's done. It doesn't usually take any longer than half a minute. Okay, so when this is blue, it's recompiling. When it's grey, nothing's happening. When it's green, it's all good. When it's red, there are errors in your mod. Just thought I'd mention that. Okay, so task returned code checked okay. So I can just get out of that. So now that that's done, yeah, all good. Yep, so I'll just get into it and show you what's happening. So you click start client up here, and you'll start running your client. Yeah, this one takes a tad longer. Oh. Yeah, you can click it for it to go down, but for some reason, well, in full screen, once it goes down, you can't get it back up. Okay, well, that's new because it never used to work for me, and when I say never used to, I mean last tutorial it didn't work for me. Yeah, so this one goes for slightly longer, but you'll know once it pops up. If you got a slow computer, it may take even longer. But it should only go for probably 2 minutes on the computer I'm running. Maybe a bit less. Actually, probably a bit less. Your host will come up, don't worry about it. Any errors like that one there, don't worry about it. Still works. Even when you, like, cause I've coded Minecraft once before, when you code even it, gives errors still. The normal errors that are meant to happen. Or, not necessarily meant to, but, yeah. So yeah, your Minecraft will pop up, and it will load. Then it's basically, yeah, just Minecraft. It won't take that long, don't worry. Okay, down. So, just multiplayer, you can get these. I'm pretty sure you can get a multiplayer server like you can test if your mod goes on multiplayer, but I'm not sure. So mods. Okay, so here, yeah. So this is your mod. I'll show you how to change that after the last basic episode, or maybe I'll just show you when you're uploading it. It doesn't matter right now. So I'm just going to click it. So I'm going to go single player and just create a new world. I usually go creative on super flat. Generate structures off. Go. Okay, so if you didn't notice, you didn't log in. So that's because it's already got a set profile for this, and it's forged dev name. Not sure if you can play multiplayer or anything on it and pretty much have a free Minecraft, but yeah, you pretty much get to play Minecraft for free, at least being single player. So I'm gonna go to blocks. I'm pretty sure it doesn't show up in the search items, so whenever I can. Wait, let's get turn volume down. Okay, block, mask. So I wonder if I can search for it. What I call it? Yeah, you can search for it, but you can't find it in here. I don't. Oh no, you can. Okay. Okay. So this is my item, my block. Doesn't it look pretty? Boom, boom, boom. It's got the purple base. Wait, let me go. Boom. It's not. Oh no. Oh, I right clicked it. Oh, I right clicked it and it stopped raining. Right click. And it will rain. Oh, it's the toggle rainfall. Not to necessarily just turn it on. Oh, that's pretty good. So I can turn it on and off by clicking it. So once it rains and then I turn it off, there's going to be a rainbow. Yep, that's my reason for having that. Even though I just made it up. So you can do that and you can make cool structures and stuff. So just get a better view of it. Don't know why it's not spawning particles. I'm not sure if I clicked it or not. I'll check that. And I'll just show you the crafting. How I made it. Oh, wait. Time set. And it's not showing light either. I might not ticked it. Wait. I'll be back. Okay, guys. I think I got it good. Well, it was. Wait, where'd the block go? It's probably because I updated. Yeah, it was all good, but it still didn't work. So, really, that's all the light it gives out. See how it's night time? I'm right clicking it. It's not raining. Oh yeah. Really. Now it's wait. Let me. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh, that looks cool. I thought it was a light. It's light now, but it's kind of gay. It's kind of failed. Anyway, if you want to craft it, I'll show you the crafting recipes that I made. This video has been going for a long while, so I guess I explained it well. I must have. If I didn't, I'm sorry. So the way I had it crafting was stone brick. With materials I had that. We also had 4 lamps. Okay, so my crafting recipe is that. Right there. Okay, I'm not sure of the orange and the green or the yellow and the green. The yellow and green right into the not down this one. Yeah. Should make me 4, but it's not. So I don't know what's wrong with that. But even so let me just quickly get out of this. Hurry up. Okay. Even so, I told you how you can create a recipe. Okay, I guess I'm looking at recipes too. And I'm just gonna say rainbow block recipe. I'll get rid of the other one. Okay. And you get a bit more detailed in one recipe, and I saw you take that shapeless. Let me try. Put one stone in and get 4 of them. Okay. I'll come back when it's ready because my video is already going long enough. Okay, I'm back. So I believe the recipe I had before was stone. It's just a test to see if it gives me 4 instead of 1. Should give me 4. Don't know why it isn't. Yeah, see, this one gives me 4, the other one. So if you're gonna make a recipe, I suggest to not add it to the actual block, but to create a recipe mod and then do it. And then create the recipe in there. So yeah, this guy has been in depth. How to make a block and do the recipes at the end. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, do whatever the hell you want, and yeah, see ya.